My name is Vernall Cole. I'm from Waxahachie, Texas. At least that's where I currently live, in Waxahachie, Texas. I'm back here with the inspection, so this kind of gives me a chance to kind of go through every little detail and kind of have an idea to look and see and know what I'm looking at. So I'm very, very new to this RV lifestyle. And so I just purchased an RV in late October 2020. And that was my first time pretty much even in an RV. And so just kind of trying to learn. I did some research and trying to learn just the ins and outs, and found out about this place here. And so looked at YouTube, Facebook, and decided to try to come up here and do it. For me, the home study course was good, but I needed to actually touch and do things. And so even with the home study course, I took some of that material and applied it to my rig. But I had to take advantage of this opportunity to actually come in here, and it wasn't too far from my home. So I pretty much, currently for 2 weeks, I've been commuting every day. So I drive probably about 70 miles. Talking to some of the teachers from the fundamentals course, they told me that it can take 8 to 10 hours. And I mean, I believed them. And then once I actually did a trailer, that was probably 25, 26 foot trailer. It took every bit of that time for me. And so it took me probably 12 hours. And so I believe there's so many little details that you will not see if you're not aware of it. That's kind of why I'm here. They give me the opportunity to see things that before I just thought it was just normal, but now that I realize it's not normal. I would highly suggest getting an inspection before you purchase any type of RV, whether it's used or new. You're putting yourself in a bad position. And even with me purchasing one, I went back and looked at some things, and I found some things that I could have, if I would have known, I probably could have saved myself some time and money.
Thinking about becoming a certified RV inspector? Click on the link below to download the latest copy of our ebook and learn what it takes to become a certified NRVIA RV inspector. If you'd like to find a certified NRVIA inspector, you can go to nrvia.org and locate one there.